Guys, welcome back to the Maynards. I do not have a long time to record my intro, so I'm just gonna go through really quickly what is gonna happen in this video. As you guessed it, I am by myself. Prince is on her way home from work, so I am gonna do our regular routine. When she gets home from work, I'm gonna go and walk Nova, but Nova's not gonna come back. Take Prince's car keys and put Nova in the car. I am going to set one camera up in the living room, so when I go, and then I'm going to use my iPhone to film when I'm in the car, do the dramatics, and then obviously tell her it's a prank. And I haven't pranked in a long time, guys, so Team Tatty, this one's about to be really freaking epic, and she's not going to really have any clue that I'm going to prank because I haven't pranked her in a while, so she's not really expecting it. So go and subscribe to our channel right now, like this video, and leave some comments because you know Team Tiana always comes hard, right? Mommy will be in any second now. Okay, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn. Stop, baby.
One eternity later.
Okay, now let's go. Be back. Okay. Started to rain and popping and pooping and champagne, hygiene, scent, money, everything. I wonder why the camera is on and why are we recording? Somebody's trying to prank me? Okay, you guys know what's going on. Tiana has left the house. She went to go walk the dog. I see the camera on. I see that she has been recording me since I came into the house. So you know what? Whatever. I'm gonna put the camera down where I found it. It will go along with whatever prank she's trying to pull on me. But she gonna get that ass at the end of this when she realized I'm already on to you, baby. Cause I am the prank champion.
Yeah, it did. So what's going on, guys? It's your girl Prince here. I'm interrupting whatever prank this is, cause I am way too smart. All right. So I'm gonna put the camera back where she had it, right there. I'm gonna take my shower and we'll see where this goes. I got sunshine.
Okay guys, so we have just left the house. We know we just left the house. Finally, God, she took so long to leave to go and have a shower. We're literally just about to go sit in the car. Okay guys, me and Nova just going crazy. But, okay, me and Nova in the car. He's currently going for a shower, so we're gonna sit here for a few minutes. I'm gonna put this other light on. We're gonna sit here for a few minutes until, so it looks like I properly walk Nova. Because Nova's been on a walk already, haven't you, baby? Haven't you? So Nova's gonna sit here. I'm gonna leave Nova in the car. And I'm gonna run inside, and I'm gonna say that I've lost Nova. Right, baby? You're gonna stay here for a second, Steve? Okay guys, so I've left Nova in the car. I'm about to go back and I need to get emotional. And I'm gonna say I lost Nova. Okay. Right. Babe! Yeah! Babe, come here! Babe, no, Nova ran away from me and she's gone and I don't know where she's gone. I've looked everywhere for Nova and I can't find her. She ran away from me. Babe, I swear, I'm not even kidding right now.
Tiana, where's Nova?
Babe, I swear.
Tiana, what the fuck?
Babe, I'm seriously not kidding you.
You're joking. Now. You're fucking joking. Where's my dog?
Babe, no, don't do this.
Tiana, what happened and where's the dog? Deadass, where's Nova?
She ran away from me. She saw a dog and she ran and now I can't find her anywhere.
What do you mean she ran?
I swear.
Anywhere.
Babe,
Tiana, deadass? No, you bullshit.
Babe, can you get dressed? We need to go and find her. Me and you.
Tiana,
seriously,
stop
I'm not playing.
Stop playing with me. You play with me. You gotta play with me.
My hands are shaking. I'm so scared.
Tiana, what happened?
She ran away from me.
Where? And
I don't know. Yeah, no, we walked out. We walked out the complex.
You walked out of the complex?
Yeah, and she just ran. She always does, but
why would you walk out of the complex? Do you even have the buzzer?
Yes.
So, Tiana.
Babe.
And you let her run away from you. Does she have a leash on?
But I let her off. Sometimes I let her off.
Tiana, I'm gonna kill you.
Babe, I'm really sorry.
I'm gonna kill you.
Please, don't shout. We need to,
Tiana.
Oh my gosh.
You know what Nova means to me.
Yes, I know, but it's not my fault. She ran away from me.
Tiana, it's not your fault. What the fuck you mean it's not your fault? You're walking her. She's not walking you.
I know. Are you gonna come and help me?
Yes, I'm coming to help you find my dog.
Okay. We're really gonna have to get
No,
calm.
bullshit. Where's my dog? Tiana, where's my dog? Deadass, where the fuck is Nova at?
Babe, I just told you she ran
Where's my
away.
car keys?
It's a prank.
I know it's a prank. I know it's a prank.
Nobody's in the car.
I know she's in the car. I know. You couldn't be crazy. You couldn't be that crazy. I know it's a prank. You think I don't know it's a prank? Fuck out of here. Go get Nova.
Go get Nova.
Go get Nova.
Oh no.
I didn't even sew my skin up. girl's crazy, bro. This girl's crazy, dude. This girl's sick, son. Prank. Prank. Come here, baby. Come here, mama. Mommy's a fool. Mommy's a fool. She using you to play games. Come here, my baby. Come here, stink. I'm not stinking. Mommy, put you in a car by yourself.
She set the alarm off.
You put you in the car by yourself and you scared? Oh, stink. Mommy played you that much. I knew she was pull bullets in. I know ain't no way.
But Nova was gone. Where did you think she was?
Baby, I knew you was pranking me.
Babe, but are you serious? When
I
did...
knew you was pranking me. I didn't know what you was doing, but I knew you was pranking me.
Anyway, guys, that was an awesome video from Team Tiana. Once again, don't listen to what Prince said because that wasn't... She didn't know. She's capping.
It's okay, my baby. It's alright. I ain't never let me have
But like this video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and leave some comments.
Yeah, mommy lose you, she going back to the UK.
Peace.
Got it.